All of them are just go down there, wine and go down there, go down there, wine and go down there, go down there, wine and go down there, go down there.
Thank you so much, Ms. Reshma, for your support towards to our models. Thank you so much, Ms. Vrinda. Every group loves show gratitude to you for your work. All of work behind the stage. Thank you so much, Ms. Deepika.
So all eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Little life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Little life of a boss player that's even getting high. Hey, to my nigga Pac. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player that's even getting high. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down. Now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga. Make these motherfuckers suffer. Up in the burning rubber, the money is mandatory. The hose is for the stress, it's criminal lifestyle. Equipped with the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the meal ticket. Get your money, motherfucker. Let's get rich and real. Kick it. All eyes on me. Little life is a thug nigga until the day I die. Little life is a boss player. All eyes on me. Little life is a thug nigga until the day I die. Little life is a boss player. It's even getting high. Little life is a thug nigga until the day I die. Little life is a boss player. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all your shield down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. I'm 500. Bands wanting flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your eyes like a dope fiend. It seems my main game was to be major, pay the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 50. They might hold me for a second, but they both won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski ass screaming thug life. Every time they pass, all eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player. It's even getting high.
Isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I.
your hands together for Mr. Darshan Villas, who is the proprietor of Ace Builders and Promoters, and along with that,
Bring that ass back like a boom, boom, boom.